Hello traders, I hope guys you had a wonderful day. Let me share with you how I analyze market today and help my traders to bank profit. Let's dig into the system. And if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair, EURUSD, pound dollar and the dollar CAD. Overall market was consolidated, but we managed few PPs. Let me share with you guys. If you look at the 4-hour chart, and you can see here the price, we haven't seen any big moves today, and we're expecting price to break this pattern. Let's see tomorrow if the price is going to break or not. But within this pattern, as you know, we are intraday trader. We manage beautiful pips. Yesterday we had such a beautiful short trade here in London morning session. If you haven't seen my yesterday analysis review, video link is given in the video description. All right, let me share with you the entries today, and we had a fun because making few PPs. Right, so if you look at here, yesterday we had this London morning session that was such a beautiful rally, nice beautiful trade. And at the New York session, once the price reverse, explain to my trader if the price is going to break, then continuation. Otherwise we might going to see the price develop in inverted head and shoulder pattern. We have this beautiful breakout. First target was the 200 EMA, which nicely hit. This was the counter trade, by the way. Once we bank some profit, and I did another analysis at the Asian session, look for this breakout. So technically our bias was short on euro, as you can see here. Once the price developed at the profit target hit, double top here, price nicely broken this low and beautiful broke on this trend support line. Beautiful short trade here. Price came back to exactly the same level as I mentioned in my previous analysis. Bank beautiful PBs. At the New York session, price developed consolidation. Within the consolidation, price developed downside channel pattern. That was a beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, in 4 hour, explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. You can see guys, within the consolidation, how we manage interesting beautiful pips. All right, so pound dollar, if you look at here in 4-hour chart, we were expecting price might gonna break this one or this one. As you can see here, we had looking for this breakout. So but within this pattern we manage few PPs. Let me share with you the intraday analysis, how we manage pips today. All right, so if you look at here, okay, so this was the analysis. Yesterday, London morning session, we had this really bank beautiful pips. That was the really beautiful bank some profit. Afterwards, price reverse. As you can see here, price developed correction, and that was a beautiful breakout this morning. After the breakout, explained to my trader, momentum is bearish, keep taking a pullback. So beautiful pullback. After that, squeeze some nice pip. As soon as the price hit to the support level, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. And let's see at the New York session. At the New York session, we have this breakout. We were expecting price might gonna break, but we managed few PPs, and afterwards I updated that analysis instantly. You can see there was the medium impact news for the dollar, and then the news was good. As you can see, there's the news reaction, and explain my trader, look for this level, and if the price break short, break long here, pretty straightforward. Price broke on even after the breakout, price retest, and as soon as the price hit to the previous low level, 15-20 pips, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. That was a beautiful trade. As you can see here, how we manage PPs even in the most consolidation market. Dollar CAD was interesting trade, guys. We were expecting the price might going to break this downside channel pattern, but I said to my trader, our simple principle rule, trade what you see it, not what you think. So we were expecting this breakout, which we came out at the break even in intraday, but as soon as the price respected at the New York session, we have short trade here. Explain to my trader, look here, the price broke on the previous low, keep enjoying it, and the target was this level, which nicely hit. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. Okay, so yesterday at the New York session, we have this breakout, bank some profit, price reverse, and as you can see here, explain my trader, if the price is going to break this level, then long, otherwise short. As you can see here, price broken, enter, came out of the break even, enter, came out of the break even. So we were struggling with this, but at the New York session, we manage all beautiful pips. You can see here, price developed sideways market, right? And as you can see here, price nicely broken and beautiful. And once the price was here, explain if the trader missed this one, they can join here. And I updated that analysis instantly, as you can see here, and explain if the price is going to reverse, look for another pullback, otherwise breakout, which price nicely broke on. So you can see we have one trade here, bank some profit, another one here, bank some profit. As soon as the price hit with the profit target, explain to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. As you can see, guys, we had a consolidation, all these three pairs, but we managed beautiful pip piece. But the best trade we had, that was the dollar yen, euro yen, and pound yen. Let me share with you the dollar yen. You can such a nice beautiful long. I explained to my trader, as long as price does not break any recent low and retest, just stay long. And if you look at the intraday analysis, we managed beautiful pips, guys. Amazing. You can see this morning, just before London open, 7:40 a.m. London time and GMT time, look for pullback. What happened here? Pullback. As soon as the price hit, move your stop loss at the break even, and at the New York session, price develop another pattern, breakout, beautiful, another pullback, double bottom, beautiful. And I also updated, say guys, keep taking it. As soon as the price develop another pattern, I say guys, look for pullback, just keep taking a pullback. We have another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the profit target, which is the red fib channel, explain to my traders, time to enjoy some profit. You can see here, get amazing trade on dollar yen. We have a euro yen, beautiful trade, guys. You can see here, such a nice beautiful, but the question is when to enter, when to exit. We can see here. So this morning we have this breakout, and afterwards we have at this level, traders are asking, am I going to reverse? Then I updated another analysis, and let me share with you both of the analysis. You can see here, this was the pretty straightforward breakout, this breakout, and after the breakout pullback, pretty straightforward. And at the New York session, traders were expecting my gonna come back here, and explain to, as long as the price stay above this level, we're still looking a pullback at this level. First priority move, because the momentum is bullish and the yen is dominated pair at the moment. So I say, go guys, just keep taking a pullback, especially when the price develop a double bottom here at the support level. Beautiful, another beautiful. And that's what we explain. We enjoy yen pair today, guys. Bank amazing profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned, you should be watching those analyses in real time. An interesting part, banking profit in real time. If you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where you can develop your trading skill in real time, because my whole objective is to train people with the live market through live intraday analysis, so at least they can understand the market structure, they will understand how the market behavior, they understand when to enter, time factor. So once you master those skills and produce consistency result on this virtual platform, I can get you the funding. If you are interested how I train with the live market, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is also given in the video description. We have a very limited places, so most welcome, join it. Or if you are experienced trader, as you've seen, this is purely price action trading, and I'm pretty sure you're going to enjoy peeping alongside with my other traders. So most welcome, join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening, stay blessed. Until next time, all the best.